so in the middle. He's going down, getting hot and ready. In our left corner in the blue mask, we have Aaron Brzezinski. Oh my God! Aaron Brzezinski! In the right corner, we have Billy Washington. So, lady boy, boys and girls, let's get ready to rumble! Westy with the double hook. Uh-oh. Aaron with the double leg. With the double leg. Fucking Pogo. Uh-oh. He's falling. Look at him. Uh-oh. Okay. Oh, referee. What is that? Oh, they're showing resilience, but come on. They're showing resilience. Look at that. Look at the acrobacy. Look at him going back and forth. Oh, look at kicking. He's kickboxing now, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, Nacho Libre style. Uh-oh. Okay. Can you see the fast action? Take him. That's the ring. Can he do that? I think he just did that, ladies and gentlemen. It's getting real hot up in here. It's getting real hot. He's going to get you up all everything you have. It's getting dangerous. He's going for the tempo, and he fails. He's going for the over.